I could just kick off with some general remarks on the first question. I mean, as I've been saying all along here, as far as I'm aware, there's not a single case of an infection spreading to the Tokyo population from the athletes or Olympic movement. So I can't really go beyond that and simply say also that as far as I'm aware, also not a single severe case has occurred amongst our stakeholders on that. But I understand it's in process.
Okay. As of today, there are a number of positive cases in hospital is 2. There are 2 people currently being in hospital, and there is no severe patients at this stage. So I think, as I said, we've been trying to minimize the impact to the local medical system, and in that respect, we've been absolutely right on track to deliver the safe and secure games for both perspectives.
Candy Jacobs, the Dutch skateboarder who tested positive for COVID-19, is experiencing an...
Obviously, it's challenging for any country when there's rising cases of COVID-19, but I am confident that the Olympics are being run without actually affecting that essential secondary care and hospital provision.
A couple of quick figures. NBC, Tuesday prime time, the most watched since the presidential debates.
I think over the last couple of days we've heard a few athletes have gone off social media. Personally, I went off social media last year because as nice and as supportive as some people can be, the negative comments, even if they are the fewest comments, can be really hurtful to athletes. So it's sad to see that that's continuing. But in terms of what the IOC and the Commission are doing, we obviously have our 24-hour hotline. We have a safeguarding officer within the village. As I said, we also have the opportunity for athletes to reach out to through the hotline to experts from around the world.
これ自主的にボランティアが提出ということになっていますが、このチェック体制管理について
There are no IOC rules or regulations around transgender participation. That depends on each international federation. So Laura Hubbard is a woman and is competing under the rules of her federation, and we have to pay tribute to her courage and tenacity in actually competing and qualifying for the games.
Speculation, who they are, what country they're from, we wouldn't comment on that whatsoever.
It is up to each sport, in each discipline even, as to exactly what the rules for participation and eligibility are. So it is complex, and one of the reasons that there have been no framework published yet is not just because of the difficulty in coming to any consensus, and there's been a huge consultation exercise going on with all those bodies and individuals and representatives who are involved in this. It's because it would have been inappropriate to come out with a new framework or guidelines just before the Olympic Games.
Once again, Yuto, congratulations, and see you all tomorrow, same time. Thank you very much.